Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the ClassDojo app, a fun and interactive platform that helps teachers, parents, and students stay connected. Let's dive in. ClassDojo is a classroom communication app used by millions of teachers and parents worldwide. Teachers use it to share classroom updates, give feedback, and encourage positive behavior. Parents can stay involved in the child's learning while students enjoy earning points and sharing their work. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search ClassDojo on a search bar and then install your app. Once installed, open up your app and create an account. Choose whether you're a teacher, parent, or student. If you're a teacher, tap create a class right at the middle of the page right here. So tap on that, enter your class name and grade level, add students to your class either manually or by sharing a class code. You can also customize behavior points like great teamwork or needs improvement. Then parents can join by entering the invitation code from the teacher. Once connected, you can view your child's points and progress, get messages and updates directly from the teachers, see photos, videos, and the class announcement in the class story. Students can log in using a passcode or QR code. They can check their points, post works to their portfolio, and feedback. This makes learning more fun and motivating for kids. Teachers and parents can send direct messages within the app. Messages are automatically translated into over 30 languages, making communication easy for anyone. And that is how you can use the ClassDojo app step by step. It's a great way to keep teachers, parents, and students connected while making learning fun. I hope guys found this tutorial helpful. Hit the like button if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.